teens, this is Sarah in the teen department at the Pulaski County Public Library. Today we're going to learn how to make Chex Muddy mix. And we've got the Chex pre-measured out. It's 8 cups of Chex rice cereal. And then you'll need powdered sugar, semi-sweet chocolate, peanut butter, and vanilla extract. So I already heated up my chocolate, peanut butter, and salted butter. That's another ingredient as well. So it's 1.5 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 3/4 cups of creamy peanut butter, 4 tablespoons of salted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. All that is heated on the stove on medium-low heat and mixed up together. Also, I divided 1 cup each of the powdered sugar into bags, and then we're going to take our mixture and divide it up in the 2 bags and shake it up and get it coated. So let's start by putting our chocolate mix in with our Chex, with our rice cereal. All right, we're going to mix this up. Try to get them all coated some with the chocolate. It does take a little while to get it all coated, as you can see. Alright, so now that we've got it coated, I'm going to take about half and put it in one bag and then put the other half in the other bag. Okay, so I'm just going to zip this up and shake all the powdered sugar onto it. Okay, there's one bag. And let's do the other bag. All right, so we've got that. I'm gonna zip this one up. Okay, we've got all of it coated with powdered sugar, and there you have your Chex Muddy Buddy mix.